Alright, what up guys? So we are here at my summer vacation house here in southern Illinois, and today I'm gonna film this. This is a furnace that I have not yet filmed for this channel, and this is the Lennox Elite Series gas furnace at my summer vacation house. So here it is, Lennox Elite Series. We are here for winter break, and we are going to go ahead and start this thing up. Now, when we are gone for the winter, we do keep the furnace on, but we usually keep it at something like 70, maybe 71. But when we're here, we keep it at like 73, 74. But yeah, this is it. Here's the inducer. It's not gonna focus. But yeah, again, here's the inducer, gas valve. It's a 4-burner furnace, unlike the 1997 furnace at the condo, which is a 3-burner furnace. This is a 4-burner furnace. Got the flame rollout switch, got a flame sensor, and right over there is the hot surface igniter. I do not know actually if this is a single stage or 2-stage furnace, but yeah, here's the model number and serial. This furnace could definitely use a cleaning. That says 090 and that says 84556. It's hard to see because there's crap on it, but definitely could use a cleaning for sure. But yeah, here's the exhaust pipe going out to the chimney. Here's the front plate. This furnace was manufactured in 2002. It was put in 2002 when the house had central air put in, or at least when the house had a new heating and cooling system put in. So according to the previous owners of the house did have central air before 2002, but I guess it was a shitty system, and so in 2002 they put in this system, and the system here works great. The air conditioner works great, and the furnace works amazing. The only issue we have with this system is the air conditioner, which struggles on the second floor, but other than that, furnace and AC work beautifully. But yeah, this is it. Really nothing much. Here's the line set for the air conditioner. Goes through the ceiling, outside. But yeah, again, not really too much to see, but that's where the filter goes right here. And don't mind the mess down here. We been doing a lot of cleaning, and not to mention we keep a lot of our summer clothes here. So yeah, don't mind the mess, please. Anyway, this is the furnace at the summer vacation house we own in southern Illinois. I wanted to get a video of it starting up, because I don't think I have a video of this particular furnace on this channel yet. But yeah, so I'll be right back, and we are going to go ahead and fire it up. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start this up the simple way. I actually shut off the breaker, so we're going to go ahead and turn on the breaker. There goes the inducer. And there goes the blower. And she's running. Okay, I'm gonna put the cabinet back on, or panel. The furnace, it's a little noisy, but it works. That's all that matters to me. And here's the exhaust pipe, which is already getting scalding hot. That's warm, and of course, that's cold. So here's the basement vent. And then we come in here to like the makeshift closet area, and there's a little vent right here. Blowing out nice hot air. And then there's the furnace right over there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Out.